Hey, how's it going? My name's Roman Torres, also known as RJ with RJT Construction. I'm out here today at Karn City working on a concrete pour. I mean, we're ahead of time right now. We're ahead of schedule. Got the superintendent behind me out there also looking at me like, what's going on?
Need a vest?
Who for who?
Stuart. Truck?
Yeah, checking my truck. And we had a hard hat. Do we have a hard hat? He has a hard hat. All right, hook him up. Behind me, we got the pump truck. Pump truck been out here since 5 a.m. We got up at 4 a.m. to prep everything, and we're out here kicking butt as usual with the crew out here behind me. For any of your commercial or construction needs, from residential, commercial, or industrial, don't hesitate and give us a call. RJT Construction.